Here we are at the DEX trade show in Langley, BC with Ampco Manufacturers OEM Solutions. We're testing today membrane switch through the riggers. So we left this on the floor. It's been walked on dozens of times today, even with steel-toed boots sometimes. So we're going to take that switch and we're going to test it in our membrane switch tester to see if it still functions. My colleague Utsev is going to set up the tester right now. And then we're going to go with our testing machine. We're going to test this out. We've got each LED is being checked. And each press button, let's see if it still functions after all of that riggers. And yes, it still functions.